Hi, I'm Martine and I'm from the Netherlands, and if you're looking for a course that is going to make your money and not cost you money, look no further and contact Devin right away. He's such an honest and reliable coach, and he will teach you everything you need to know about Google Ads with this course. And it's doable for everybody, even if you're not familiar with this stuff at all, just like me. I was spending hours on the internet trying to figure out how to make Google Ads work with just a tiny budget of €5 a day. And you come across all these different websites and all these different people trying to sell you the course for a lot of money. But who do you trust? Because you also read all these negative stories about people who are losing thousands of dollars a day and didn't get any results. Well, I don't want to be one of these people, and you don't want to be also. So I came across Devin on YouTube and I saw his small budget video, and I only had one question after that. Contacted him and he answered so much more, and he gave me such a trustworthy feeling that I took the gamble for myself. I bought this course and it brought me 3 conversions at day 1, so I was so happy. But you also will be joining a community with all these great people where you can ask all the questions that you have, and you will be getting answers so fast. It's really helpful, and you will be joining Zoom meetings. So wait no longer and contact Devin right away. And I hope to see you in the community. Bye!